Welcome to Paradise. Today I'm here at Sandals South Coast, Jamaica, and I'm giving you an exclusive tour of one of the most coveted accommodations in the Caribbean, the blue Mahoe Overwater Butler Villa. This is what luxury looks like when you're literally floating above the crystal clear turquoise waters. Step inside the stunning villa and you're immediately struck by the vaulted ceilings and elegant mahogany finishes. This king-size bed with premium linens offers the most incredible water views. But here's something really special. Look down at this glass floor panel. The spa-inspired bathroom is absolutely gorgeous. Dual vanities for convenience, premium Molton Brown amenities, and this incredible walk-in rain shower. Everything here screams luxury and relaxation. Your villa comes fully stocked with this premium in-room bar, Robert Mondavi Twin Oaks wines, local Jamaican beer, premium spirits, and it's refreshed daily by your personal butler team. Now, let's step onto this incredible private deck. This is where the magic really happens. You've got comfortable loungers for soaking up the Caribbean sun. Imagine relaxing here with a glass of champagne as the sun sets. There's even an outdoor shower for rinsing off after you swim. Here's your private Tranquility Soaking Tub for two. What I love about these villas is how private and secluded they feel. We're positioned away from the main resort on this heart-shaped walkway, giving you incredible ocean views and ultimate privacy. Even though you're staying in this secluded paradise, you'll have full access to everything at Sandals South Coast. 9 restaurants, 7 bars, unlimited premium beverages, motorized water sports like water skiing and wakeboarding, scuba diving, snorkeling, and so much more. It's all included with your stay. If you're dreaming of this level of luxury for your next romantic getaway, honeymoon, or special celebration, I can help make that happen. Contact me today to book your stay at Sandals, and I'll work to get you the best Overwater Villa location and ensure you're paired with the top butler team. For more information about this incredible villa and other amazing accommodations at Sandals South Coast, check out the link in the description box below. And here's an insider tip. Want exclusive deals on these amazing accommodations? Join my weekly email list to take advantage of resort discounts and promotions for Sandals and Beaches resorts. I share the best offers every week so you never miss out on savings for your dream vacation. Like this video if you're adding this to your travel wish list, subscribe for more luxury resort tours, and I'll see you in the next one.